Yo, what's up guys, SlothOVlog here, and today you're here for the first SlothOVlog. I'm in South Carolina right now. I'm gonna be going to like a waterfall, a birthday party. Of course, Kim is the birthday party. Mickey Mouse theme, so we'll see how that goes. And then we got a water slide maybe. And yeah, first SlothOVlog. So we're gonna be going to the waterfall right now. And yeah, I'll see you guys then. Alright guys, so we out in the open. Here we are. We're looking pretty interesting right now. I believe the trail's over that way. So yeah, let's go. Here we go. We're looking pretty foresty right now. I guess I'll catch up with everybody else real quick.
Blackberries. Make sure you do a little thing on sustenance out in the wild. Oh, there.
Splendid. We got one of these bad boys, so put this bad boy on top. Boom. Beautiful. I'm so good at this game, honestly. You know guys, 5 million likes, I'll jump off that into the 2-foot shallow water. But yeah, that'll be a sick Slotho video, wouldn't it? Go! A bear in action. Wow, she can climb too. Woo. Alright guys, so we're done with the waterfall. I have no clue what we're doing next. Probably getting some brekkie or something. I'm not too sure, so see you guys then. End up getting McDonald's, so yeah, we'll eat that. And so this is all like the backyard area. So that's the house, obviously. And then boom, we got a little pathway right here with a bridge and a canal thing. We got a seating area, you know, the average. And we got a trampoline over there. And then hopefully we can put a water slide on, oh, you can't see from here, on this hill over here. So hopefully that'll be pretty sick. So yeah. Well guys, I somehow got roped into wearing this hat, so we're about to have a blast. I'm back. I had to buy the slip and slide and buy the soap. And yeah, I think we're ready to set her up right now. Right on that hill over there. Maybe, I don't know. I don't really have anything to write it down, so hopefully it'll still be safe. I have no clue where the hose is though, so guess we'll find that out now. Yeah, it's a little awkward. It's a lot smaller than I had envisioned. I was thinking about getting two, but I was like, no, I have some at home, so I don't really need to. But now I'm looking at it, I think I should have bought two. Well, guys, the hose won't reach, so we got to set up here. It's looking pretty watery. Not very big though, so we'll make do. Alright guys, that was a little bit of a bust. Didn't go as according to plan. You know, it would have been so much more sick on this hill over here, but yeah, there's the hose. I couldn't get it off the hose thing. There's Slotho mama.
Hi.
And yeah, so I think that's gonna be it for the SlothOVlog. If you guys want more SlothOVlogs, leave a like, leave a comment. Leave a comment on other ideas as well. So like, subscribe. See ya.